Ni hao, happy Lunar New Year. So, who is ready to shed some of that bad energy? Let's make some longevity noodles and see if we can bring about long life. All right, let's see how I do it. I'm gonna start with a little bit of grapeseed oil. You can just use whatever neutral oil you got. Vegetable canola oil works. Grapeseed is good for high heat cooking. So, yeah, that's what you want. You want it nice and smoky. All right, so I'm gonna mince up some of this garlic. Just a rough chop first. Oh, I'm going to cut up my gailan because I want to, as soon as I put the garlic in there, it's going to cook really, really quick. So I'm going to put the stems in first, okay? Don't waste anything, cook everything. So I'm just chopping this at an angle. It's got a very similar, this tastes just like broccoli. It's just Chinese broccoli. There's no florets on it. It's got these really tasty leaves. You can't find gailan, just use baby broccoli or even like spinach, I guess. That works too. So I'm just gonna break this up into chunks. And like I said, I'm gonna cook the leaves in a little bit. Should we get the pepper ready? Let's get the pepper ready. Because that's kind of hard to, I don't want it like to be mushy. I just want to take off a little bit of the crunchiness. So trick, just go around just like I did. That way you don't have to worry about the seeds. You can cut a bunch on it really, but it's not a square, but it's okay. It's stir fried, it's for me. If I was doing this like a catering job, or like a professional chef, or ordinary, they would judge me. Like I hope you would on one of the shows I interviewed for. Then I'd be cutting them a lot more carefully. Ooh, okay, I think we're all set. I think I got everything cut. Here we go. Get ready for it. All right, put the garlic in. You can smell it right away. It's very fragrant. And the gailan. So remember, it's got a lot of water in it, so it might pop at you. So be careful. We're gonna mince the garlic, the ginger. All right, so we're gonna put that ginger right in there. Okay, now get the rest of these harder veggies in. All right, I think I incinerated my garlic actually. That's all right. Oh, it's very kind of hard because this is low, so you can cook this turns up. Yeah, carrot on. Yeah, no, we don't need to do this. But I'm going to add the sauce. Okay, next, we're going to do some sauces. So I got a little touch of sugar in there, and then I'm going to add in 2 different soy sauce. I got like dark soy sauce, and I got regular soy sauce. If you can't find dark soy sauce, it's not the end of the world. Just use more regular soy sauce. All right, so I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of each. Love it, everyone. Here. 1 and 2. Right, I'll add in some oyster sauce. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. So, I got 2 teaspoons in here. I see people do this with oyster sauce too. You do whatever you like, White pepper. Shrimp is already peeled, deveined. It's not the biggest shrimp, but it's not the smallest shrimp. It's kind of like in the middle. It's like 26 something a pound, whatever. So I'm gonna add that. This is cooked real quick. Okay. So put that in. Wait. This one. First one. Okay. All right. Woo. The idea is not to break them up. You want to get like the longest noodle, There we go. Holy smokes. I don't know if that one broke or not, but look at that. Look at that. That's going across this. That's the size of my stove. That noodle's the size of my stove. Y'all see that? I love watching people make those pulled noodles. Oh my gosh. I wish I could do that. Just have like an ounce of that still, That'd be great. Longevity. Yeah, we're trying. All right, now that we got the noodles in, we're going to add a little bit of sesame oil. It's very potent, so be careful with it. About half a teaspoon. Okay, so we don't want to break them up, so we're going to go a little more gentle with this and get the noodles all mixed in with the sauce. Oh, the guy is like, not me. I'm good. I'm going to stay in my little cozy home here. If I could tell you, the smell coming off of this, oh my gosh, the ginger, the extra garlic that I put in, all the sauces, it smells so good. It's going to have like a lot of texture to it with the water chestnuts and all the gailan and the shrimp. Oh, I can't wait. All right, we're going to give that a minute to do its thing. Meanwhile, I'm going to chop up some homegrown green onions here. It's traditional to use like Chinese chives, but I'm growing these, so I might as well use them. They're close enough, right? Growing the green onions. Use what I got. I'm not looking to, break the bank or reinvent the wheel here. Thank you, Kimberly. It does. It smells so yummy too. I can't wait. All right. So I'm gonna put half in now, and then I'm gonna put the other half when I finish up. How about them for some chopsticks, huh? Put the sides in. All right, I think she's done. I don't want to overcook the shrimp, so all right, let's put it on a plate. Okay. All right, let's get some on a plate here. I don't know why I scooped this up. Not very good scooping things up with that, so I'm gonna use. I'll go back to this and scoop it out. Look at that. All the yumminess. Oh my goodness. Don't break the noodles. Don't break the noodles. Think I can get it all in there? And a bigger kitchen. I got no room. Woo. She gonna fit. She gonna fit. OMG. Look at that. Just barely. Holy smokes. Oh my goodness. Put some shrimp in there so you can see it. Then I'm gonna put some, as Cassie Young says, razzle dazzle. So that's the season of Next Level Chef I was supposed to be on. So with like Teeny and Cassie, that was the season that I was supposed to be on, or I got interviewed for Next Level Chef. One day, right? They would have been awesome to meet. Look at that. Oh, yes. Oh my God, is right. All right, guys, here we go. We have our longevity noodles with the shrimp. We got some red peppers in there. Got the gailan and water chestnuts, chives. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. It smells amazing. Let's dig in. So should we do the noodles first? We gotta get a long one. Oh, well, it's kind of long. All right. Oh. That is sauced perfectly. It's sweet. It's salty. It's got the perfect amount of umami. The only thing, if you would like heat, add some chili crisp. Okay. Here's our succulent shrimp. The key is to flash cook the shrimp. Doesn't take any more than literally like 30 seconds on a hot pan. So, oh, and the water chestnut soaked up all that flavor. Oh, I missed it. That's good. Let's get the gailan. Put it in a super hot pan. Chars the outside, keeps the inside tender. Oh, so good. Now, if you can't find gailan, you can always go get baby broccoli for the stem. And then for the leaves, you can just use spinach or like a kale even. Kind of cross between the two. That's what it tastes like. But man, oh man, this is a winner. So here's to long life. Here's to shedding new skin. Here's to the year of the snake. All right, see y'all later. Bye.